G'day mates, welcome to the first part of our 10-part series on the top 50 must-see spots in South Australia. If you've been dreaming of adventure, stunning landscapes and a taste of the good life, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into 5 incredible destinations that you absolutely can't miss. We're talking vibrant cities, rolling vineyards, rugged outback and pristine beaches. South Australia's got it all, and we're here to be your guide. So buckle up, grab a snack, preferably some Tim Tams, you gotta try those, and get ready for an epic Aussie adventure. First up, we're hitting up Adelaide, the capital of South Australia. This city is like that mate who can be sophisticated and laid back at the same time. You've got stunning architecture, a buzzing art scene, and more festivals than you can shake a didgeridoo at. Stroll through the Adelaide Central Market, a feast for the senses with fresh produce, local cheeses, and some of the best street food you'll ever taste. And speaking of food, Adelaide's restaurant scene is off the charts. World-class chefs, fresh local ingredients. You'll be wanting to book a table at every place you see. And for you sports fans, no trip to Adelaide is complete without catching a game at the Adelaide Oval, one of the most picturesque cricket grounds in the world. Seriously, the atmosphere is electric. Next up, we're off to the Barossa Valley, a place where the wine flows like Thor's hammer after a hard day's work. This region is practically bursting with vineyards, some dating back over 150 years. Picture rolling hills covered in vines, charming villages, and cellar doors just begging to be explored. Now, I'm a bit of a wine connoisseur myself, and let me tell you, the Shiraz here is top-notch. But it's not just about the vino. The Barossa is also steeped in history, with strong German heritage that shines through in the food, the architecture, and even the local dialect. Make sure you try some traditional German fare while you're there, like bratwurst and sauerkraut. Delicious. Alright mates, time to get wild. We're heading over to Kangaroo Island, a haven for wildlife and natural beauty. Trust me, you've never seen anything quite like it. Kangaroos, koalas, sea lions, penguins. It's like stepping into a real-life nature documentary. And the landscapes are just as impressive. Rugged coastlines, pristine beaches, towering cliffs. You'll be blown away by the raw beauty of this place. Make sure you check out Flinders Chase National Park, home to the remarkable rocks. These massive granite boulders sculpted by the wind and waves over millions of years. And if you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. Kangaroo Island is known for its fresh seafood, local produce, and artisanal cheeses. Don't leave without trying the Ligurian honey. It's some of the best in the world. Get ready for a true Aussie adventure as we venture into the Flinders Ranges, the heart of the outback. This place is ancient, rugged, and absolutely breathtaking. Picture towering sandstone cliffs, hidden gorges, and vast plains that stretch as far as the eye can see. We're talking landscapes that have been shaped over millions of years, and you can feel the weight of that history all around you. This is also a place of immense cultural significance, home to the Adnyamathanha people for tens of thousands of years. Make sure you learn about their stories, their connection to the land, and the ancient rock art that tells their history. And don't forget your hiking boots. The Flinders Ranges are a hiker's paradise, with trails for all levels of fitness. Last but not least, we're finishing our journey on the Fleurieu Peninsula, a stunning stretch of coastline just south of Adelaide. This place is all about picturesque coastal towns, world-class surf breaks, and some of the best food and wine in the country. Picture yourself strolling along pristine beaches, the sand between your toes, the sun on your face. Or maybe you'd prefer to catch a wave at one of the many surf spots. The Fleurieu Peninsula has got something for everyone. And after a long day of exploring, there's no better way to unwind than with a glass of local wine and some fresh seafood overlooking the ocean. Trust me, this is what life's all about. Thanks for joining us on this journey through South Australia. We've only just scratched the surface of what this incredible state has to offer. From vibrant cities to rugged outback, from world-class wineries to pristine beaches, South Australia has got something for everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore 5 more must-see spots. We'll be diving into the Eyre Peninsula, the Nullarbor Plain, the Gawler Ranges, and more. Catch you later, mates.